What is the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, and my fault. I did not mean to start the video like that, but I had to because I was just driving and you see this fucking Porsche right here, Gt3, pull up in front of me, so me and him started getting a little busy in traffic. Bro, so you know I had to pick up the cam and just get straight to it, get this content for y'all boys, but we here. But yeah, man, hope everybody's having a beautiful, blessed day, man. Like I said, if y'all don't know, make sure y'all go boys like my last few videos. I've been dropping videos, you know, kind of daily, I'm not gonna lie, but like I said, make sure your boys like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we here. Car sounds crazy, boy. I'm not gonna lie to nobody. Alright, chat, I don't know what server we spawned in today, but as you can see in front of us, we got a fucking Super here. So Super here. What server I fucking spawned into? I don't even know what behind us. What's this? 340 flying. 340. We got 340s. We got G's. We got Supras, nigga. What you want to do, nigga? Let's bang out. Hold on. They don't know, man. Never get in that lane, brother. It's always this lane. Fuck it. Yeah, child, I don't know what's going on. I don't even know what server this is. This is like shit just happening. Shit just spawning, you know what I'm saying? Like, spawning and shit. I don't know. What's going on, chat? But we in a wild server right now, I'll tell you that. We's in a wild server. And I don't even know who the host is, nigga. I don't even know who the host is. But hey, fuck it, we ball, brothers. Getting this content for y'all boys. Y'all know the vibes, y'all know the scene, man. Like and comment on the video, man. Fuck, get me to 1,000 subs, chat. We here. Come on, man. I need that. I'm hungry for it. I need that. I need that. Chat. Oh my god, this shit is backed up like a fucking toilet. No way. Right when we was having all that fun and shit, man. Now I gotta get off this shit. I should have. Fuck. Hennessy got me fucked. Nah, let me stop. Oh my days.